Hello, good evening, Bro Fadli, Sis Christian, and Sis Salma.
Evening, sis.
How are you today, guys?
I'm good, alhamdulillah.
Great, Alhamdulillah. Bro Fadli, what about you, Bro Fadli? Bro Fadlinya menghilang. I think he has a problem in his network. Oke, Sis Salma, ini mau dimulai aja atau mau nunggu yang lain dulu, Sis Salma?
Makin lama makin sepi ya.
Iya, emang sering terjadi biasanya kayak gitu. Biasanya nanti menjelang akhir-akhir agak rame lagi, sis.
Ya, Bro Fadli comeback.
Ya, there is the pattern sometimes. It's that. Oke, hello Bro Fadli. Ada ini ya Bro ya, jaringannya bermasalah Bro Fadli.
Yes, sis.
Ah, oke.
Uh,
How are you Bro
my
Fadli?
connection internet is very bad.
Very bad. Okay. How are you today Bro Fadli?
Oh, fine.
Fine. Okay. Are you
Good.
still in campus or in your house?
In your house, in my house,
In your
sis.
oh yeah, in my house. Okay. So for today, Bro Fadli and Sis Salma, we will talk about this one, about weather and season, guys, topiknya, which is weather. Weather itu cuaca, season itu musim.
Cuaca ya.
Yes, cuaca and musim. We will talk about this. Sis Salma, how many season in English do you know, Sis Salma?
Maybe 5.
What is that?
Summer, winter, autumn. What else? Just rainy in Indonesia and dry in Indonesia too. What
Okay.
else? Yeah.
Oke. Sis Salma kok suaranya agak jauh ya, Sis ya?
Oh iya.
Nah, ini enggak. Tadi tadi kecil banget ya, Bro Fadli ya. Iya. Oke. So which one is your favorite, Sis
Yeah.
Salma? Yang mana season favorite-nya Sis Salma?
I like autumn, but in Indonesia there is no autumn season.
Okay, yeah, in Indonesia we have no autumn season. But why
Mm,
do you like it?
in Indonesia, maybe just dry. I don't like too much rainy days. It
Mhm.
makes the float and disaster.
Yes, exactly. Especially in Jakarta, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's flood everywhere whenever rainy season.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Talking about autumn, why do you like autumn, Sis Salma?
The color is so beautiful. I like a flower. I like trees. So many trees turn the color change
Change the color.
and the flower bloom.
Oh, I see. Do you mean
Um,
spring?
oh, spring. Autumn mah gugur. Iya juga.
Maret itu musim gugur. Kalau yang ada flower,
Iya,
ada
itu spring
flower
ya.
spring. Yes, that's
I
right.
forget.
Okay. Yeah, it's a beautiful, yes, it's, yeah, when
Mm-hmm.
you see the flowers starting to bloom, the color turn into green again.
Yeah.
Okay. What about you, Bro Fadli? What's your favorite season?
And my season in my favorite season is musim eh apa ya, sis? Musim panas ya atau gimana tuh, sis?
Panas, summer atau dry season?
Summer,
Mhm.
dry season musim hujan ya sis?
Kalau dry season itu musim kering. Kalau summer itu musim panas.
Oh, in my sort of Kalimantan is apabila itu dry season
Hmm.
is itu terjadi land fire ya sis.
Plant fire. Kebakaran tanah.
Land fire ya. eh, jadi seluruh eh, jadi seluruh rata-rata in sort of Kalimantan asap itu apa sih sis?
Fog.
Kok
Asapnya asap kebakaran atau asap kabut gitu
ya
guys.
asap eh, land smoke. Ya
Oh,
asap
smoke.
kebakaran sis. In apabila in rain season in sort of Kalimantan is kalau hujannya itu hmm, bisa seharian sis. Bisa
Okay,
seharian.
all day long.
Long, all day long seharian. Jadi ya my favorite season rentan antara itu sih sis. Dia yang not a very hot season or not rentannya itu sis.
Okay,
Yang
okay.
tidak terlalu panas dan tidak musim hujannya sekali yang all day long
Iya,
seperti
iya.
yang yang seperti hari ini kemarin itu luar biasa sih
Okay, all day long. But
all
is
day
there
long
any
sehari
any
ini.
flood, bro? Ada banjir karena kan hujannya all day long ya.
Eh
Ada banjir.
Hujan that rain dia itu gimana ya sis? 5 menit hujan, nanti 5 menit berikutnya berhenti, 5 menit berikutnya itu hujan gitu sis.
I see, I
Eh,
see. Hmm.
hmm, Kayaknya apa sih sis? Cuaca buatan sih sis biar tidak itu kebakaran hutan juga.
Artificial.
Hmm,
Mungkin ini ya istilahnya.
artificial.
Atau nanti ada istilah yang
Good.
lebih scientific lagi. Probably artificial weather ya mungkin namanya.
Iya ya sis.
Oke, oke. Oh, I see. So itu kayak rekayasa cuaca gitu ya, Mbak ya?
Ya, that's right. Sis. Ana.
Oke, oke. Oke, thank you so much, Bro Fadli.
Oke, welcome sis Ana.
Yeah, so this is our vocabulary for today. Ini adalah vocabulary-nya untuk hari ini, guys. And I want to ask Sis Nazla. Sis Nazla, can you please read the vocabulary, Sis Nazla?
Oke, sis. Sunny, cerah, cloudy, berawan, rainy, hujan, windy ya, sis.
Windy,
Windy. Windy berangin, stormy, badai, cold, dingin, freezing, membeku, hot, panas, foggy, berkabut, warm, hangat, rainbow, pelangi, drizzle, gerimis, dry season, musim kemarau, rainy season, musim hujan, summer, musim panas, spring, musim semi, autumn or fall season, musim gugur, winter, musim dingin.
okay. Thank you,
Gitu
Sis
sih.
Nazla.
Welcome, sis.
All right. Sis Fanny, can you please read the vocabulary?
Sunny cerah, cloudy berawan, rainy hujan, windy berangin, stormy badai, cold dingin, freezing membeku, hot panas, foggy berkabut, warm hangat, rainbow pelangi, drizzle gerimis, dry season musim kemarau, rainy season musim hujan, summer musim panas, spring musim semi, autumn fall season musim gugur, winter musim dingin.
Okay, thank you so much, Sis Fanny.
Thank you, sis.
Alright, so ini ya Sis yang sebelah sini, ini adalah bagian season. We have 6 season secara umum in general. Ada 6 season, dry season, rainy season, summer, spring, autumn. Kalau yang 4 ini biasanya adanya di negara yang 4 musim. So, in Indonesia, kalau misal di Indonesia, ini kita nggak bisa nyebut summer ya, teman-teman. Kita pakainya dry season. In Indonesia, we have 2 season, which is dry season and rainy season. Kalau misal di negara 4 musim, kayak macam di Jepang, di Korea, di US gitu ya, ada 4 musim ini. And to mention musim gugur, kita boleh pakai autumn, yang ini dibacanya autumn, atau fall season. Itu dua-duanya artinya musim gugur, boleh yang mana aja. Alright, ini kalau nggak salah yang satu ini dia lebih kalau di UK itu pakainya autumn, yang satunya di US mereka nyebutnya fall season. Atau terbalik, pokoknya dua negara itu penyebutan musim gugurnya ada perbedaan. Gitu. And for this one, kita bukan windy, tapi windy. Windy. Karena angin itu wind. Oke, that's all. Itu aja untuk vocabulary untuk hari ini. Let's move to the question. Kita pindah ke pertanyaan ya. I want to ask the first question. It's about daily routine change with the season. For Sis Fanny.
Yes.
Yeah, Sis Fanny, how does your daily routine change with the season, Sis Fanny?
Much with the season. Since in Indonesia there's only 2 seasons. In dry season, maybe for the outfit, I prefer to use the thin one. Tipis thin ya, tipis.
Tipis, ya bisa thin.
And then I can wear my white sneakers because in the rainy season I don't use my white sneakers because it's getting dirty when rain. And when I go to work in the dry season, I can use my motorcycle. In the rainy season, I still use my motorcycle, but of course I will wear my raincoat. I think that's it.
Okay, so it's a change more about the way you wear something, the way you wear your daily clothes, yes, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, when we wear white sneaker or white clothes in rainy season, it will get dirty easily.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it's annoying.
Yeah, especially when it's your favorite clothes.
Yeah, exactly. All right. Okay, it's hard to wash it. Thank you so much, Sis Fanny.
Thank you, sis.
Okay, second question for Sis Nazla. Sis Nazla,
Yes,
do
sis.
you notice people's mood changing in different seasons?
Yes, sis. I notice people's mood changing in different season. For example, maybe in dry season in Indonesia, just have dry season and rainy season, right, sis? When dry season is in Indonesia, it's too hot, really hot in here. In Medan, around maybe 35 degrees Celsius in here, 31, 30, yeah. And people's mood can change anytime, every time. Maybe if the weather is for example, in today, too hot. So I always feel like kesel aja gitu sih, mungkin orang-orang kayak panas di jalan itu pas lagi go to office or go to school. Enggak, kalau sekolah pagi ya. Misalnya mau ke pasar atau go to the market or ke manapun gitu, itu kan misalnya pas panas tuh sis. So maybe the people feel like apa ya, annoyed sis, like apa sih panas. Jadi yang nggak kenapa-kenapa juga bisa jadi nggak mood gitu sis. Terus kalau hujan gimana ya? Kalau pergantian misalnya lagi rainy season itu biasanya mood ya sis. Kayaknya kalau hujan ada nggak ya perubahan? Kayaknya enggak sih sis. Mungkin pas pas panas aja gitu. When
Pas
dry season. Ya. Tapi itu emang berubah-berubah mood orang.
I see. Alright, so because of they feel stuffy itu kayak gerah gitu ya, stuffy, sweat,
Ya.
berkeringat, so they have bad temper ya, jadi lebih gampang marah.
Iya, gampang. Iya sis.
Call it bad temper.
Bad
Yeah, okay. Yes, I noticed testing as well, probably because of the hot weather. So become more sensitive. Yeah.
Iya sis.
Okay. All right. Third question. Thank you so much, by the way, Sis Nazla. Third
You're welcome,
question
sis.
for Bro Fadli. Bro
Ya,
Fadli, what's the
sis
first
sama.
thing you notice when a new season begins?
In first thing to notice when a new season begins in up apabila misalnya rain season is mungkin maybe important yang perlu dipersiapkan itu raincoat ya sis.
Exactly.
Raincoat
Raincoat.
or umbrella itu umbrella payung ya sis
Yeah,
or
umbrella.
umbrella and maybe selokan apa sih sis yang biasanya di selokan selokan kecil yang dekat rumah apa gitu.
Well, we can call it drainage.
Hmm?
Ini drainage, bro. Gimana tulisannya?
Drain.
Drainage.
Drain.
Iya.
Drainase ya sis. If dry season musim kering atau musim panas itu sis mungkin eh, yang perlu diperhatikan atau biasanya first thing ya itu persediaan sumur apa sih?
Sumur. Apa ya sumur tuh ya?
Sumur. Eh, well ya.
Wow, iya.
Well ya sis. Dari biar nggak kering diperhatikan biar tidak kering atau ya itulah sis mungkin first thing to notice apabila itu nanti new season atau begin a new season.
Beginning new season. So preparing raincoat and also umbrella when it start rainy season ya. Pas mulai musim hujan.
Yeah, rainy season.
Alright. We can call it ini juga Bro Fadli. Kalau kayak tadi Bro Fadli mau bilang pergantian cuaca gitu ya, kita bisa bilang ini. Transitional season.
Transitional
Transitional
season,
weather.
ya.
Cuaca, perubahan
Transitional season. Ya, sis.
Ya, thank you, Bro Fadli.
Oke, welcome, sis.
Next,
And,
number 4, si Salma. Si Salma, do you think seasons affect your health or energy levels?
Of course, season affect my health, especially when it's transition season. It will make pancaroba. Everybody gets sick, cold, and flu. The children easily get fever. And of course, me, I have an allergic to cold and dust. So it will make my nose rainy. It will makes me get flu every day. So of course it affect my health and energy level.
Okay, what do you prepare to anticipate that change to keep your energy in a good levels?
Of course I drink vitamin, imbus. I prepare a jacket, raincoat, or umbrella. Umbrella can use even in the dry, sunny, and rainy season.
Okay. So you previously you say that you have allergy
Mm-hmm.
cold.
Yeah, cold and
Okay.
dust.
Do you have a special medicine to cure it?
I have inhaler.
Inhaler. Oh,
Mm,
it will help you to
it
overcome.
will make my nose clear and I can breathe easily.
Okay, okay, okay. All right. Thank you so much, Sis Salma.
Thank you, sis.
You're welcome. Okay, after this pro and sis, I will divide you into breakout room. Di sana akan bagi teman-teman ke breakout room. This is the question that you will discuss about. The first one, we talk about the weather around the world. Ya, is the weather in your hometown different from other cities? Apakah cuaca in your hometown? Hometown itu kota kampung halaman gitu ya, kota asalnya teman-teman different from other cities. Apakah berbeda dari kota lain? Maybe kalau di Bro Fadli tadi bilang kalau di Kalimantan hujannya all day long gitu. Nah, itu bisa disebutin yang seperti itu. And the second, what's the hottest place you've ever visited? Apa tempat paling panas yang pernah kamu kunjungi? The hottest, hot itu panas, ada tambahan est di sini jadi paling panas. And then the third, if you could travel somewhere just for the weather, where would you go? If you could travel, jika kamu bisa travel jalan-jalan atau berpergian, somewhere ke tempat manapun, kemanapun, just for the weather, hanya untuk alasan cuaca, where would you go? Kemana kamu akan pergi? Next, number 4, how does weather affect your mood? Bagaimana cuaca affect? Affect itu mempengaruhi your mood. Next question is about climate change. Do you think climate change is changing the weather pattern around you? Climate change itu perubahan iklim. Changing the weather, mengubah weather patterns, pola cuaca di sekitarmu. Oke, alright. Ini ada 4 orang berarti ya yang aktif. Mau dibikin 1 atau 2 breakout room-nya? Gimana, Bro Fadli, Sis Salma, Sis Nazla, and Sis Fani? Better 1 atau 2 breakout room-nya?
Satu aja kayaknya, sis.
1 aja. Oke. Jadi Sis Ana assign 1 breakout room aja ya. And I will send you the question in our chat WhatsApp as usual. You may go there, Bro and Sis.
Good evening, Sisana.
Hello, sis Ina.
Can you invite at the classroom, please?
Okay, of course. Wait,
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay. Okay, yeah, welcome back again to the main room, bro and sis. Alright, the time is up, everyone. Waktunya sudah habis ya.
Yes.
Ini kalau misalnya di breakout room, sis Christian dan sis Nadine itu open mic nggak sih, bro?
No.
No.
No. Oh,
Iya.
I see. Iya, kirain tuh
Pilih temen.
kalau di main room takutnya gimana gitu sama sis Ana. Mungkin kalau sama teman-teman bisa open mic. Ternyata tetap enggak ya?
Hilang,
Still no.
hilang.
Iya.
Nice.
Ghost.
Timbul tenggelam sih saya lihat.
Oh,
Mungkin.
gitu. Kenapa ya kira-kira nggak mau open mic tuh?
Mungkin masih mungkin belum comfort ya.
Iya.
Mungkin, I don't know.
Yes,
I
shy.
think
Introvert.
Comfort
so.
untuk ngomong ya. Oh iya, di sana aman aja sih, nggak apa-apa. Takutnya kayak takut apa gitu kan. Saya juga kalau salah nggak marahin ya.
Mm-mm.
Oke deh, alright, nggak apa-apa. Tapi mungkin pengen jadi listener dulu. Alright, Francis, thank you so much for coming today. We still have one more meeting for this week. So see you tomorrow, everyone.
See you
Bye-bye.
tomorrow, sis. Thank you,
Thank you,
sis.
Thank you,
sis. Thank you,
sis.
everyone.
Everyone.